Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the magical maths morning sessions by Ram sir, and which we are going to have every Monday to Friday, sharp at 7 a.m. for 15 minutes, where we are going to learn the speed mathematical calculation tricks from Vedic maths and Trachtenberg speed maths and all the mental math techniques. And here we are today with yet another technique, which is a single line multiplication. We had learned how to multiply a two digit number by a two digit number in a single line without the traditional method, and the same thing we are going to extend today for three digit numbers and beyond also. Okay, this is a single line multiplication that uses the Vedic sutra called Urdhva Tiryagbhyam, that means vertically and crosswise. Just let me quickly revise one example of a two digit multiplication that we have already done. Suppose we want to multiply 36 into 24. Let's take what we did vertically. First, we multiply these two things vertically. 6 into 4 is 6 4s are 24. 2 is carried. Now we do crosswise. 6 2s are 18. 3 4s are 12. We add them crosswise. 6 2s are 18 plus 3 4s are 12 makes up 30. And you add the 2 carried, it will become 32. 3 is carried. Again, we come to the left hand side for vertically. 3 2s are 6 plus 3 is 9. 924 is the answer. I'm explaining very slow so that you can understand, but you can do very fast. Is it clear? Suppose we have another number, one more example. Suppose we want to multiply 48 into 67. What we do? First, we'll multiply 8 and 7, the right hand side vertically. 8 into 7 is 56. So 6 we'll write and 5 we'll carry. And then what we do? We multiply 4 into 7 and 8 into 6. We go in this direction. First we finish this vertically, then we go in this direction crosswise, and finally we come to this line vertically. 4 into 7 and 8 into 6. 4 sevens are 24 plus 8 6 are 48. We have to add 72, and then we have 5. Okay, 72 and 5 we have 7, and 7 is carried. Then finally we will multiply these two. 4 into 6 vertically. 4 6 are 24 plus 7 31. Okay, and just let me check it out. 6 4s are 24. 4 2 is carried. 3 4s are 12 and 6 2s are 18. 12 plus 18 is 30 and 2 is 32, and 2 is 3 is carried. 3 2 is 6 plus 3 9. 924 is correct. Okay, I think we have to do these two. 3 4s are 12 and 6 2s are, oh sorry, 6 2s are also 12. I did 6 3s are correct, no? 12. 24 plus 3, 24 plus 2, 26, and 864 is correct. You're correct. I by mistake I took 6 3s are. Okay, thank you for that. And you understood the concept here. First we go vertically with these two, then we'll go crosswise these two, and finally we come to vertically with these two. Okay, now with this background, this we have already learned in detail. I have explained in the previous session, I think a couple of weeks back, in the magical multiplication methods. Now we extend the same thing for three digit numbers. Suppose you want to take 234 into 4 15. Initially, let me take small numbers. We'll again start with the vertically and crosswise method. First, we'll do this. We multiply these two. 4 into 5 is how much? 4 5s are 20. Okay. 20 means 0 I will take and 2 I will carry. Now what we do? We go for crosswise with these two. We'll go like multiplication with 11. We'll start with one row, we'll go to 2, then to 3, and then again 2 and 1. In the same way, we are going here. So 4 ones are 4 and 3 5s are 15. 15 and 4 is 19 and 2 is carried. It will come to 21. 2 I will take. Now what we do, this is the step that you have to pay attention. Crosswise, we do 4 4s are 16. This also crosswise. See, I'm skipping the middle line. Directly, I'm going to the next one. 4 4s are 16 and 2 5s are 10. And then this middle one, I will do multiply middle to middle. 3 1s are 3. It will come as 26 plus 3, 29. 29 and 2 is carried, we'll get 31. And then we have done with these two. We these two rows also. Then we completed these 3 rows. What we have to do? We'll leave the rightmost one. We'll come to these two now. Okay. Now what we do? 2 1s are 2 and 3 4s are 12. These two will do cross multiply. 3 4s are 12 plus 2, 14 and 3 is carried. We'll get into 17. 1 is carried. Now we'll come only to this thing. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9. Correct? Yeah. First one I had already rectified that one. I think you people know it was 864. You understood? First we do, let me show with a different color. First we do vertically this. Then we'll go for these two crosswise. Then we'll extend this crosswise to all the 3 rows, these two and the middle one like this. Then we'll leave the right side and we'll come to these two. And finally, we'll go with the last line. Okay, I hope you understood. Let me give you one more example. I'm going very slow so that you people can understand this. Okay, and once you understand, it will become very easy. You can do the multiplication in a single line without doing all the 3 steps and then adding all those things. Okay, let's take little bigger one. 436. Let me write little distance so that 436 into 725. First I multiply this row vertically. 6 5s are 30. 3 is carried. Then I will do these two crossways, these 2 rows. First column I have completed. Then I will go to the second 2 columns. 6 2s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 12 plus 15 is 27 and 3 is 30. Again 3 is carried. And then I'll go for all the 3. 1 finished, 2 finished, then I'll come to 3. Okay. 6 7s are 42, 5 4s are 20, 62 and 3 2s are 6, 68. 3 is carried, we'll get 71. 7 is carried. Now 1 is finished, 2 rows finished, 3 rows finished. It is completed. No, so I will start leaving 1 from the right side. I'll come to these two. Finally, I'll come to this one. You understood the concept? Now 3 7s are 21, 4 2s are 8, total 29, and 7 is 36. 3 is carried. Now we'll come to the last one. 4 7s are 28 plus 3, 31. This is the answer. You got this? Okay. 6 5s are 30, 3 and 0 is carried. Sorry, 0 and 3 is cancelled. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 5s are 15. 27 plus 3 is 30. One more 0, 3 is carried. Then we have to go for 3 also. 4 5s are 20 plus 6 7s are 42. 4 5s are 20 plus 6 7s are 42. 62 and 3 2s are 6. Is 68 plus 3 carried is 71. 1 and 7 is carried. And then we'll go to these two. 4 2s are 8 and 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 8. 21 plus 8 is 29. 29 plus 7 is 36. 3 is carried. What we'll do last? 4 7s are 28. 28 and 3 is 31. Okay. 316100. I think you can. Yeah. This is the methodology. You need to understand. I will give you one more example. Then I'll give you some numbers to practice. Okay. Okay, no issues. We'll take maybe 478, any random number, and 385. Okay, we want to multiply these two numbers. The concept you give understand, because while explaining I would have done one small error, but if you understand the concept and requires a little bit of a practice, then you will be able to do a 3 digit and 3 multiplication within 3 to 4 seconds. Maybe initially it will take more, but gradually you'll be able to improve your speed. So first what we do, 8 fives are 40. 4 I will carry. Then 8 8 is 64 plus 7 5 is 35. 64 plus 35 is 100 and, sorry, 64 plus 35 is 99. 99 plus 4 is 103. So 10 we are carrying, 103, correct? No? Then we go for this thing. 8 3s are 24, 4 5s are 20, and then 7 8s are 56. We add all these things. So what we get? Total 100. 100 plus 10 is 110. So what we do? 110, I will write 0 and 11 got carried. Then we'll come to these two things. 4 8s are 32, and then these two. 7 3s are 21. 32 plus 21 is 53, and 11 will get 64. Sorry, what was there here? 4, 6 will be carried, and then we'll go to the last two lines. 4 3s are 12 plus 6 is 18. This will be the answer. Correct? Let me cross check once, because I was seeing your comments. I think I would have 8 5s are 40, 0, 4 is carried. 8 8 is 64 plus 7 5s are 35 is 64 plus 35 is 99 plus 4 is 103. 10 got carried. Then we'll go for the 3 rows. Correct? No? 8 3s are 24 plus 20 is 44 plus 56 is 100 plus 10 is 110. We got 0 and 11 we got carried. And then we'll go to this thing. 4 8s are 32 plus 7 3s are 21. 53 plus 11 is 64. 4 6 is correct. Then we'll go finally with this. 4 3s are 12 plus 6, it is 18. It is correct. So I think everyone understood this. Correct? Let's try one example. I'll give the number. Can you calculate and type the answer in the chat? I'll give one simple number. Okay? Let's take small numbers only. 124 and 213. Take this. Try this one. 124 into 213. Try this and put the answer in this method. Especially in the competitive exams, when we have a limited time, this is going to help us a lot. Try this vertically and crosswise. Urdhva Tiryagbhyam is the formula of Vedic maths. Two-digit number is very widely used. Three-digit number, sometimes we will get this difficulty. Initially, it may take little time, but with practice, our speed will improve. Typing mistake, I think. Just cross check both of you. Type it properly. Yes, you have typed it correct now. Correct now? It is 26412 is the correct answer. See, 4 3s are 12, 1 carried, 4 1s are 4, plus 3 2s are 6. 10 and 11 is 1, and 1 is carried. 4 2s are 8, plus 3 11, plus 2 13, and 1 is carried. We'll get 4, and we'll get again 1 carried. 2 2s are 4, plus 1 5, and 1 is 6. 2 1s are 2. 26412. Correct. First we do these two, then we'll go for these two vertically and crosswise, then we'll go for these two and this in this direction, and then we'll go for these two. Finally we'll come to left with these two. Yes. Let's try one more number. Okay. Little bigger number. Maybe we'll try with 236 into 344. Try this. Yeah, 26412 is the correct answer. Yes. Try this one. This needs a vigorous practice, at least 1 or 2 days. Today you practice, and again in the weekend also. Try to take some numbers randomly and you multiply it and you check with the calculator till you become very good. Or else the best method is you keep a challenge with yourself and your maths buddy. I said in the introductory session, always it is better to practice this one with one more friend of yours who want to learn all these tricks. You keep mutually challenging each other. He may be your classmate or your sibling or maybe your parent. For some of the elders are also learning these techniques, so you can challenge with your mother or father also. When we go with this one, in the carry over, normally you people tend to do mistakes. I think that's not correct. 78884. When you go with the three numbers, this one, this step, some of you are finding it difficult to do, and that's where you have to concentrate a lot. Yes, I got the correct answer. Okay. That means it shows that you people have understood the trick. In practicing, you may get some error. 6 4s are 24. 2 is carried. 6 4s are 24 and 4 3s are 12. 36 plus 2, 38. So 3 is carried. 6 3s are 18 plus 8. See, I am telling, but you can tell 18, 8 26, 12, 38, 3, 41. Directly you can say the answer. 1, 4 carried. 9, 8 17 plus 4, 21. 2 carried. 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. 81184 is the answer. Little bit practice is required so that it needs to you get imbibe the methodology. Till that time it may find little bit confusing, but this saves a lot of time. You try to do the same one in the traditional method, writing one line, then you the second line, then third line, adding all these things. It's going to waste a lot of time. Correct? You practice this and definitely you will find very easy. Okay. And I hope you enjoy learning this new method. And definitely maths में तो मजा है. थोड़ा सा काम किया तो the मजा will improve. Correct? You people can practice it and you're going to become mathematicians or mental calculators, we can say. So little bit confusion will get avoided with practice. Anything with practice only you'll become perfect. And thank you for joining the session. And tomorrow morning sharp at 7 a.m. we'll see with one more better trick. Bye bye. See you.